Hello everyone! Today I want to show you my new LEGO Technic RC Buggy. It is called Dragonfly because it is fast and built in a big scale. The bodywork of the car is made with tubular frame. It is very light and rigid. The total weight of the car is under 1 kilo. For the bottom I used panels to save the weight, and to make the whole structure rigid, I used Pythagoras theorem multiple times, and different triangles are reinforcing the structure. Buggy features an independent long travel suspension with positive caster angle on all 4 wheels. For propulsion, Buggy has 2 Buwizz motors. Each Buwizz motor is connected to one rear wheel directly from the slow output. The drivetrain uses the strong sweep joints. It allows to give rear wheels a lot of torque from motors. This car is built very fast. As you might know, fast LEGO cars have problem with control. And I tried to deal with this problem. Firstly, car has a long wheelbase that makes it more stable at the straight lines. Secondly, I tried to reduce the wobbling of the steering system by making a double steering rack with double steering arms. Thirdly, the car has a positive caster angle at the front wheels. And finally, the center of gravity of my car is moved back to the rear wheel. This provides more grip to the rear wheels and an understeering feature.